Welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about onbosssupply.co? If yes, then watch this video till the end because we are going to share unbiased review with you regarding this website. So let's check out the details of this website. onbosssupplyco.com is an online store that is selling the cloth, like it is clothing store that holds a wide range of multiple items such as men's clothing, women headwears and accessory. The website is prevalent throughout the United States for its giveaway. However, to participate in giveaway, people need to order from the website, and once you complete your order, your entry will register for the giveaway. But before making any online shopping, you must know the legitimacy detail of the website. It is HTTP secure website. It was created on 23rd October 2020. They have mentioned their email address and physical address, but unfortunately they have not mentioned contact details. Their products are clothing. They have not mentioned the delivery charges. As far as delivery time is concerned, you need 7 to 14 business days. They have different payment method. For return, you can return the product within 30 days of your purchase, but refund is not available on the website. Let's check out the positive point of the website. The site is providing a giveaway. It has social media handles. It has working customer service support. It has mentioned its address. It holds a comprehensive collection of clothing and related items to it. The negative point of the website are the website does not refund the amount. It gained mixed customer review. In the giveaway, only the US shoppers are allowed to participate. For other terms and conditions are applicable. So the question is, what are the reviews of the customer? So we found multiple reviews on the website. Therefore, like they have posted their mixed review on online. As far as the website portal is concerned, they have just shown positive reviews regarding their products, like t-shirts are comfortable, sweatpants have excellent purchase for them. So in conclusion, we can say that no doubt the website is trending due to its giveaway, and besides this, the site has not gained any fame. So as we found, they are mixed review available from on the website. So we are not recommending you at all to shop anything from this store. And if you are still interested to buy anything from such store, we recommend you again to make a thorough research on your own behalf before making any online shopping nowadays. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and view regarding this website. We love to hear from you. Write in the comment box regarding all the details which you have on this website.